How to obtain your merchant ID, a simple guide.
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic for all online sellers, your merchant ID. Also known as a MID, this unique code is an essential part of your e-commerce platform, as it helps you process transactions and monitor your business performance. Let's walk through how to obtain your merchant ID and what information you need to provide to look it up.
What is a merchant ID?
First things first, what is a merchant ID? In the simplest terms, a merchant ID, MID, is a unique identifier that links your business to your payment processor or payment gateway. Think of it as the digital equivalent of your store's physical address.
How to obtain your merchant ID?
Obtaining your merchant ID is usually a straightforward process, but it may vary depending on your payment gateway or payment processor. Generally, when you set up an account with a payment processor, they will provide you with a merchant ID after you've completed the necessary application and verification processes. You need to provide some critical information during this process, including 1. Your business name. This is the legal name of your business. 2. Business type. You'll specify whether you are a sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, or LLC. 3. Business address and contact information. This includes the physical address of your business and your contact details. 4. Banking information. You'll need to provide the details of the bank account where you want your payments to be deposited. 5. Tax ID. This could be your Social Security number, SSN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN, depending on the size and type of your business.
How to look up your merchant ID?
If you've already been assigned a merchant ID but you can't remember it, how do you find it? The easiest way is to check your initial welcome email or documentation from your payment processor. This typically contains your MID, among other account details. If you can't find your merchant ID this way, the next step is to contact your payment processor's customer service. They will be able to look up your merchant ID using the information you provided when you set up the account. Remember to be prepared to verify your identity for security reasons when contacting customer service, as merchant IDs are sensitive information. And that wraps up our guide on how to obtain your merchant ID. It's a critical part of your e-commerce operations, and knowing how to find it when you need it is crucial. Always keep your merchant ID secure and only share it with trusted parties. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.